Hello friends, I am Lakhan, and in this video I will tell you everything about NumPy. We will try to perform every possible task with NumPy in one video, so this is gonna be very informative. Please don't skip and watch this video till the end. Here I am using Jupyter Notebook. You can use any editor, you can use VS Code, you can use PyCharm, you can use Spider. So whatever IDE you prefer, you can use that. So first of all, you need to install NumPy library, because when you install your Python, NumPy does not get installed automatically. You have to install in your current environment whenever you want to use NumPy library, right? So I have already installed in my current environment in Jupyter Notebook. So the requirement already satisfied, as you can see. Now just import NumPy as NP, and we will use NP across our tutorial. Right, now let's get started. First of all, let's try to create a array, one dimensional array. So how can you create with the help of NumPy? So as you can see, np.array, this is the syntax. So np.array with the bracket, just pass the array. This is the list of numbers 1 2 3 4 5. I have 5 numbers in the list as an array, and it will create an array for me, right? So let's see. I ran the command. Now let's see. So it has created the array. In the beginning we can see array, so the type of array of this list, right? So that's how you can create a one dimensional array. Now here we have one keyword zeros. So with the help of zeros you can create a one dimensional array with the zeros only. So here in this example I have written 4, so it will create a one dimensional array where we have a 4 times zeros in our array. Let's see. I have run the command. Now let's see. So it has created the 4 zeros in our array. You can increase the number or decrease the number. So now it has created the 6 zeros for me in the array. Same way you can create an array of 1. How can you do that? You can do same as we have done for zeros. So the command is np.ones, ones, ones. This is the command line. Now let's see. See, as you can see, so I have passed 4, so it give me the array of ones 4 times, right? So we can create a array for ones as well, right? Now let's see the another a keyword linspace. What linspace does, right? So it does np.linspace the starting number 5 and the end number 40. So it will give me the numbers between 5 and 40, starting from 5 and end for 14, and this give me the 8 numbers, equal difference numbers between 5 and 40. So let's see. I have run the command, and now see. So starting from 5 and end is 40, and it created 8 numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So anytime if you need a same difference number 5 10 15, so we have a same difference between two numbers 10 and 15, we have a 5 number is 5 in difference. If 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 is equal to 25, so that and so on. So that's how, if you want to create a same difference number and how many numbers in between should be, so you can use linspace as a keyword, and you can use a NumPy, right? So we can create a array. Now let's move the another example. If you want to generate a random number, so you can generate the random number with the help of NumPy. How can you do that? So this is the keywords np.random.randint. This is the starting number. So I want to generate a random number from 1 to 30, and how many number will required? I require 10 numbers, right? 10 integers numbers. So this is how we can generate a random number with the help of NumPy. So it has generated 10 random number between 1 and 30. We can increase the limit as well. So Now I want to increase the number 1 to 100. I need 1 to 100 random numbers, so I just pass 1 and 100, and we can, okay, so let me I have already because I have passed 10 because I did not change anything, so let me I need 20 numbers, right? So I have passed 20, then we can see the 20 numbers, right? So if anytime you need any random number where you want to perform any analysis, data analysis, and you require, so you can generate a random number, right? We will see how can we convert this array into two-dimensional array as well, so we can do that, right? So we will see in later in the tutorial. Now let's see the another example. How do you convert array into list? How can we do that? So this is my array, np array. So I have a value 2, 1, 5, 3 and 4, 5 numbers in array, right? Now I want to convert into the list. If I want to see the array, now let's see, this is array, right? Now I want to convert to into list. So this is my array. So np underscore array, this is my array, and to list. So I am converting this array into list. I have run the command. Now let's see how the number looks like. So this is the list in Python, 2153. So this is the list in the bracket. Earlier we had a array, right? So this is the array and this is the list. So that's how you can change array into list. So guys, this is very important. So sometime you need a list in your machine learnings. The data you have in the form in the array, but you want to convert the array into the list. So that's how you can convert with the help of NumPy, right? Now let's talk about 2D array. How can you create 2D array? So with the help of NumPy, we can create easily. So this is the syntax, np.array. This is my two-dimensional array. We have a rows, right? And we have a columns, right? Let's see. I have ran the command. Now let's see the output. So output is, this is my rows, and this is my column 1 6 9 2 4 7 3 2 1 3 by 3 matrix, right? So that's how you can create a two-dimensional array. Now look at the reshape. How can you reshape your one-dimensional array, right? So before that, let me show you one thing. I will create a numbers from 0 to 24, total 25 numbers, because in NumPy index position 1 always start from 0, because I have passed 25 numbers, so it will goes to 24. So 0 to 24 is 25 numbers, right? So that's how we can create a range. With the help of range, we can create an array. So here I have a 25 numbers. Now I want to reshape these 25 numbers into the 5 by 5 matrix. So how can I do that? So for that we can use reshape keyword, right? So this is my range. I have 0 to 24, right? We can see I have passed reshape 5 by 5. This is my row and this is my column, 5 row and 5 column. So let's see how it looks like. Now you can see 5 rows and 5 columns. So that's how we can reshape our range. Whenever you face these problems, or anytime you encountered this situation, you have array and you want to convert the matrix, then you can use reshape, right? Now let's see the 3D array. How can you create and how can you use 3D array, right? So same way, np.array, this is my keyword. Whenever I use one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, or three-dimensional array, just need to pass the numbers. How can you do that, right? So first matrix is from as a two-dimensional array we have created earlier. So till here, this is my 2D array, 2 bracket, 1 starting bracket, and then second bracket start for 1 row, second row, third row, and then bracket closed here, right? Same way, 2 bracket start, 2D dimensional array I have created here. Same way, 2-dimensional array created I have here, I have created here, and then the starting bracket and the end bracket, right? So that's how you can create a 3D dimensional array. Now let's see the result. Now you can see the three-dimensional array. Matrix 1, matrix 2, matrix 3, right? So we can create, right? Now there is a one keyword type. With the help of type we can see the type of array, type of numbers, anything, right? So np.array I have already created. Let's see what is my np underscore array. So this is my array, the number 21534. Now I want to check the type. I have run the command. Now let's see type of a. So numpy.nd array, right? So nd array shows subclass of numpy. So whenever you see nd array, it means this is the array, type array, right? That's how you can check with the help of type keyword. Now let's see if you want to see the minimum number, minimum value, max value, argmax, argmin in your array. So for example, I have an array where I have a few value 2 1 5 3 4 5 values we have. So in this array I want to see which is my minimum number, which is my max number, and how argmax work and argmin work, right? So let's see. I ran the command. Now first see the array 2153. This is my array. Now I want to see the minimum value in this array. So I can use, this is my array, np underscore array, then dot min. So it give me the minimum value. So minimum value is 1 in this array. Same way, if I want to see the max value, I will use the max in place of minimum, max max, then it will give me the max value. The max value is 5 in this array, right? That's how you can see the minimum value or max value in the array. Now let's talk about argmax and argmin. So argmax return the index position. So here we have seen the maximum value is 5, but what is the index position of 5? So this index position is 0, this is index position 1, and this is index position number 2. So this should be the index position. So let's see np underscore array, this is my array, and this is the keyword dot argmax. Let's see, let's run the command and then see index position 0, index position 0 is 2, index position 1 is 1, and index position 2 0 1 and 2. So this is my index position 2. That's how we can see the index position 2 here for argmax. Same way we can see the argmin, right? Let's see what argmin returns. So argmin returns is 1. So let's see, this is index position 0 and this is index position 1. So index position 1 is my minimum value. So argmax or argmin help to locate the index position of the array, and this is very helpful when you perform, you have a large number of sets, data sets, and where you are looking the max number and especially the position of that max number in your large array. So that time it will help you, right? Now let's see the another example, sort. How can you sort your array, right? So we can sort array two ways. One, you can sort your original array, or you just want to sort your results, not the original array. Two ways we can sort. Let's see one by one. So np array we have already seen. So let me see what is my np array. This is my array, right? Now I want to sort this array 2 1 5 3 4. So this is my keyword np dot sort, and this is my array and np underscore array. Once you sort this array, let's see how the result shown. So this is my sorted value 1 2 3 4 5. This is sorted value, ascending order, right? So it is sorted. But if you try to see what is the original value of your original array, we can see, let's see, this is my original array, right? original array won't make any impact. So this is my original array 21534 is still same. So np.sort return a copy of array, not a original array, right? So that's how we can sort the array. Now let's see the second type of sort. So this is my dummy array where I have some random numbers. So this is my array, right? Now if I sort this dummy array with the help of sort keyword, right? So dummy dot sort, you can see I have sorted the array. Now we can see the original array. So now let me see the original array. You can see the order is changed in ascending order 1 3 4 5 6. So I have used the original array. You can see the order is changed originally. Now let's sort the 2D array. How can we perform sorting in 2D array? We can see in this example. So here we have a 2D array. Let's see. Let me print. We have a 3 by 3 matrix, the rows and column. Okay, and the order is 1 2 3 6 4 2, right? The number is not sorted here, right? Neither in the column 3 2 1, right? So how can you sort the 2D array? So we can sort, right? So np.sort, same as we used earlier, np.sort. This is my array and np underscore 2d underscore array, and this is the magic. So we will use access. If we use access 0, it is for column. We are sorting the number column wise, column elements 1 6 9 2 4 7. Here we will see 1 2 3, and if we use 1 as an access, then it will sort the row element 1 2 3 6. So 2 will be here 2 4 6, like let's see in this example. So I have passed my array 2D array and axis is 1. We are sorting this 2D array by row element. Now let's see, I have run the command. Now let's see this variable. We can see the sorting order row wise 1 2 3 2 4 6 1 7 9, right? So this is sorted row wise. Now if I use 0 access, then let's see. Now it's sorted column wise 1 6 9 2 4 7 1 2 3. Earlier it was 3 2 1. Now 1 2 3. So that's how with the help of access we can sort our 2D array by row element or column elements, right? Now let's see some operations, right? We can calculate mean, we can calculate standard deviation, log, right? So you can try. np.mean is the keyword, np.std standard deviation we calculate of our array, and we can see the log value of our array, right? So you can try. Simple and straightforward. Now we'll see mathematical operations, right? So I have created a two array 1 and array 2. I have numbers 1 2 3 and 4 5 6. So we have two array. Now I want to add two array, right? So we can do that. So with the help of additions, right? So I have used plus sign, so it is adding my array. Let's see the result output, and two array will be added. So 4 1 5 5 or 2 7 and 6 3 is equal to 9. So that's how we can add, and we can subtract as well 1 from 2, right? So I'm subtracting array 1 from array 2, right? This is how I have run the command. You can see. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 3, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, right? So we can see the result. Same way we can multiply. Now let's see the result. You can multiply your array together, right? And we can divide as well. So let's see the multiplication. So I have a two array. So 4 1 is 4, 5 2 is 10, and 6 3 is 18. So that's how it has multiplied the numbers, and same way we can see the division. So division is, I am dividing array 1 by array 2, right? So values 0.25, 0.4, 0.5. So that's how we can perform mathematical operation with the help of NumPy, right? Now let's move into the another topic, the exponential value. So we can calculate the exponential value as well. So we have array 1, the value is 1 or 2 we have at the top. Let's see the array first. This is my array. So values 1, 2 and 3 in my array. Now I have exponentially want to check now what is my value. So now my value is, see, it is 1 to the power, the square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is equal to 4, square of 3 is equal to 9. So that's how we can see the exponential value we can calculate, right? Now let's see one example of copy. If you want to copy your array, you can do that. So I have created two-dimensional array, right? If you want to copy this array, we can do that with the help of copy. So this is my array, np underscore 2d underscore array. So this is my two-dimensional array. Now I'm using copy, so I need a copy of this array. Now I can do that. So I have run the command. Now you can see the copy array will be the same as we have my original array. This is my original array. Now let me show you the original array as well, right? So this is my original array and this is my copy array. So that's how, if you want to copy one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, anything, so you can copy, right? So copy is also important. You don't want to use original data, just a copy of data. So that's how you can use copy. We will use copy in this tutorial later on as well. We'll see the live example, how can you use, right? Let's move to the important part, indexing and slicing. So it is very important. And why I'm saying very important, because in your machine learning you have a table, huge table. You want to fetch only few columns. Let's say, for example, you have a 10 column in your table and you need only specific column number 6, column number 7 and column number 8, or vice versa. So how can you slice and dice numbers with the help of NumPy? You can do easily, right? So let's see one by one. So here you can see we have an array. The number is 12, 5, minus 2, 29 and 21. So this is index position 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have a 5 number, index position 0 to 4, right? So this is my array. Now I want to see the numbers starting from 2 and starting from the 2 till the end. So how can you do that? So this is the way how can you slice. In the bracket you pass the numbers, index number, right? So this is my variable, this is my index position. So 2 is the index position, 0, 1 and 2. So index position 2 is minus 2 and I have passed nothing post colon. So I need everything from index position number 2. So it will give me the numbers 2, 29 and 21. You can see here, starting from 2 I need everything, so I did not pass anything, right? If I pass, let's say starting from 2 I need one numbers, 29 number, so I can pass 2 because I have passed 2. So it give me the 0 empty because no number is, because same index position I'm getting this, I'm trying to fetch same number. So let me pass 3. Then see, so I'm passing the same numbers because 3 is excluding, so it excludes 3, it will not consider the 3. If I use the same numbers 0 to 4, if I use 4 numbers, so it will return me the index number 3. It will not include number 4 when I will slice the numbers. So I need to use number. If I want to 29 numbers starting from minus 2 and 29, so I need 4. If I try 4, so starting index position number 2, so 0, 1 and 2, and I need 3 and 4. So it will give me the second position number and 3, not 4, minus 2 and 29, right? Now this is for order change. We have seen at the top as well, right? So this is my array and I want to reverse the order of this array. I can do that, colon, colon and minus 1. this is the syntax to reverse the number, reverse the order. So you can see 21 in the beginning now, 29 minus 2, 5 and 12. Here 12 is the beginning, so you can reverse the order of your array, right? Now here I want to see the second last element, right? So I have this, I need 29 number, second last number. So how can you do that? So you can see here, this is my second last position, and I'm eliminating the last number, -1. So if I use 0, then it will give me the 29 and 21, but I do not need 21 number, so I'm excluding through -1. So you can see, so it won't give me the last number, so it returns me only 29 numbers. So that's how you can slice and dice the numbers. Also, let's see one more example. I have written :4. Just guess what will be the result. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'm saying everything from the beginning till the index position 4. So will it include index number position 4? It means it will include 21 or not? Let's see. Not. I already mentioned in the beginning, whenever you pass at the end, so it will not consider it. It exclude that index position. So it excluded the index position 4th and returned everything before it, because I have written nothing before colon. So 12, 5, -2 and 29. You can see the results, right? You can copy the array as well. So let's see here. So from 1 to 3, index position 1, let's see, this is my array, index position 1 2 3. So index position 0 and 1, starting from 5, right? So this is 0 and 1, 2 and 3. So 5 or 2, 5 and -2 will be the result. Let's see, 5 and -2, right? So I want to copy and use this into another place as a variable, right? So I can copy the sliced number. So you can see, if I see this number, you can see the same number 5 and -2, and I can use this variable anywhere. So that's how you can copy the sliced number, or you can copy the array with the help of .copy keyword. Now let's see, if you want to insert the number into your array, how can you do that? So you can see here, I have copied the sliced number 5 and -2. Now I want to insert 5 in place of -2, and we already have 5. It won't make any impact. So let's see. Now let's see the array. You can see the 5 each places, both the places, right? So that's how you can insert the numbers inside the array. Now, so far we have seen how can you slice one-dimensional array. Now let's see how can you slice two-dimensional array. So here you can see we have a two-dimensional array. Let me run this command first. Now this is my two-dimensional array, and this is the syntax to slicing the two-dimensional array. This is for rows, comma, this is for columns, right? So here what I'm trying to slice, I'm trying to slice starting from the row side, starting from everything till the index position number 2. So this is my row 1 2 3 6 4 2. So this is my row. So starting everything from the starting, so 1 2 3 like that, and till the index position number 2. So this is index position 0, this is index position number 1, and this index position number 2. So as I mentioned earlier as well, so two index position won't include, right? So it give me the index position 0 and 1. It means 1 and 2, 6 and 4, 9 and 7 here. Now in the column side, let's see, in the beginning, everything from the beginning. So this is my column, right? So everything 1 6 9 2 4 7 3 2 1, this is my column. So everything from the columns from the beginnings, but I need the index position 1 and 2, 0 and 1, sorry, 0 and 1, because I have written 2 here, so 2 will not be included, right? So it give me the 1 and 2, 6 and 4, 9 and 7, because I'm excluding 3 in the rows and I'm excluding in the third position in the column as well. So this is my row, this is my row, so I'm excluding 3, 2, 1, and I'm excluding this as well, 9, 7, 1. So let's see the result. See, 1, 2, 6, 4. It is excluding this position, and if you look at the columns 3, 2, 1, so it excludes this column as well. So that's how you can slice and dice. This is for rows and this is for column. Now let's see another example here. So I have written column only, so everything in the rows 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 2, everything in the rows. Colon starting from index position 1, so index position 0 and index position is 1 here in the column. So it will return me the 2, 3, 4, 2, 7, 1. Let's see. See, 2, 3, 4, 2, 7, 1, right? So that's how you can slice and dice, and from where you need a number. Now this array you can copy, just copy, use copy keyword, and then insert a variable here, and then you can use that variable anywhere into your data. That's how copy again will work. Now let's see the another example. Here I have written, this is for rows, this is for columns. So in the rows starting from index position 1, so let's move into the my 2D array. Starting in the rows, starting from the 1, so I'm excluding 0 index position in the rows. So rows 1, 6 and 9. This is my index 1. So index 1 is coming from here, because index position 0 is here. This is for 1 and this is for 2. So starting from here, right? And everything is in the end in the rows, and column again as we have done at the top, everything in the end, but starting from column number 2, column index position 1, sorry. So index position 0, index position this, and this index position 1 is here. So the result will be 4, 2, 7, 1. Let's see. Yeah, it is already ran the command, so you can see 4271, 4271, right? So that's how you can slice and dice the 2D array with the help of NumPy. So this is very important, guys, because I have seen many times in my machine learning algorithm where I need to convert an array into a list. I need to find out the argmax, argmin. We have already seen in this tutorial, right? And also the slicing the numbers. We have multiple columns. You need only a few columns from your data for analysis, because you have multiple columns and there are few columns, they are not adding any value. Definitely you want to remove that. So how can you slice and dice? So that's how, with the help of NumPy, you can slice and dice your tables, your array, right? So guys, we have seen NumPy tutorial in this video, and I have covered most of the things, right? If you are comfortable with NumPy, then you can use in your day-to-day life. And if you are planning to learn machine learning, so it become more important, because if you know NumPy, so you can use and you can analyze data very well in Python. If you want to automate your Excel day-to-day task in Python, so this is gonna be very helpful for you. Friends, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like if you really like this video. Thank you.